Why I don't do fried chicken. I always burn the chicken, and now I'm waiting for Don to come from the store to help me because I'm panicking. When it comes to cooking, I can handle certain things, but certain things, fried chicken is one of them, I can't really handle, and I get freaked out frying it. I mean, I'm trying my best. I have to show you what is going on. I burned the chicken. I can't believe I burned 3 pieces of chicken. Can't believe I burned the chicken. Now I have to let Don come home and get some more chicken season so we can cook it. Oh my goodness, let me show you guys. When Don is not around and I'm left to cook fried chicken, this is what happens. It's all burnt up. This is not good, and it's close to dinner time, and I burned the chicken. Feeling so bad. Sometimes, you know what? I wanted to cook today to let Don get a bit of break from the kitchen, and Don insists upon cooking. And I'm like, no, let me help you out a bit, take a break. And this is what happened. I should have allowed Don to cook the fried chicken. Only cook fried chicken really good, like about 2 times. Yeah, about 2 times. But oh my goodness, I think I have to leave it alone. I think I'm done frying chicken. I won't be doing it anymore because it's always messing up. Don made some of the best fried chicken. Whole house is so smoky. It's not even funny. It's very smoky. It's just bad. You think it's a fire in here.
The thing I remember is, no, the first thing that happened was, as soon as I got to the door, I said, wow, something smells a little bit hard cooked. And I said, I hope she didn't burn her chicken. No. I think the lesson learned here is that you need to stay in your lane, and I'll stay in my lane, which is cooking. Okay. You do a lot of, you cook as if you're sauteing. And you can't have a high up heat with fried chicken. You gotta have it moderate, 325.
I kind of had it like that.
Not with the eye all the way up, sweetheart.
I was so freaked out.
Yeah, yeah.
Even the pot looked burned.
Yeah, it does. Set up, doctor it up. It can be salvaged. I've seen people do a lot worse than what I see in the oven there. At certain restaurants, I won't mention them. It can be salvaged. That's all.
Okay, so you're going to get cooking?
Yes, I am. As soon as I take off my top here, so I don't want to get oil and stuff on it, now I'll be right on it, okay?
have some pear, some glazed carrots. I don't know. Don, what type of chicken is that for you?
It's just a pan-fried chicken, fish in the oven.
And chicken, because Don is trying to eat healthy. So this is the gravy. I don't know what type of gravy is that. This is the butter and the bread. And this is my chicken that I burned. Don said it's not that bad, so we're going to use it. I guess it was the skin that's burned. And we have some mashed potatoes. So I have Danielle with me. She's going to help me. So now that we had dinner, we're going to be making parfait. Actually, Danielle's idea for us to have parfait. I'd made it before for the kids, but I've never had it before. That's Danielle. So that's Danielle too. This is my two. And I think they're looking really good. It's all about presentation. Yes, it is.
No, it's all about flavor.
Flavor, what people eat with them eyes. So if it doesn't look appealing, then who's going to eat it? Or how are you going to know it tastes good if it's not presented properly? First time making parfait, and I'm pretty excited. So I have to take some photos. Look at Danielle over there. She's eating down the place. So that's it for today. Danielle and I, we're going to be enjoying our parfait. We're going to get the other two children to come up and join us. And I'm loving it so far. I hope it tastes really good. I'm not a fan of yogurt. And I'm not a fan of pudding. But next time. Yeah. So, oh my goodness, Danielle just gave me an idea. So, we're going to do something with chocolate mousse the next time, because Danielle and I, we will sit and come up with all these ideas. This is not our idea. I mean, it's banal parfait, but I mean, you know, we're thinking of what to do when it comes to desserts, so Don doesn't have to do all the work. So Danielle and I will be making all the desserts. Pretty excited about that. We're going to be doing a lot of things with chocolate because we love chocolate. We do. So anyway, we're going to enjoy and have our little girl time, because that's what we do. When it's supper time, we do like to sit around the table and talk and just have fun. And we're going to get the other two children to join us. And we love you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. And please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate you all. And please don't forget to remember, you know what I always said?
Walk in love.
Walk in love. Stay in love.
And
stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.